Tutoring with the Lightning Squad, WordQuest. WordQuest is the activity where pupils learn new vocabulary and word meanings. So I'm going to click into WordQuest, unmute the site, click on Start, and for stories 4 to 48, WordQuest starts with a video. The video is a fun way of introducing vocabulary, and they are American, but the children do love these activities, and they're a good way of putting new words and words into context for them. So let's click on the start button for the video and watch the video.
Story 22.
Mike, you have to help me. I have hiccups.
Sure, I can help. Here, sip from this glass. Like this.
Hey, that didn't work.
Okay, I have another plan to help you. Hop on one foot like this.
It didn't work.
The plan didn't work, but you look so funny hopping.
It's not funny, Mike.
Okay, I have another plan. I'll pat you on the back.
Okay, but don't pat too hard. Ouch! Ouch! This isn't helping either. I still have hiccups.
But your hiccups are so funny.
Help!
Okay, I have one more plan to help. You sip, hop, and I'll pat. Here. That's it. Keep sipping, hopping, and I'll keep patting.
I don't think you're helping. I think you're just laughing at me.
Oops.
Stop laughing at me! Hey, the hiccups are gone. Your plan worked after all. Thank you, Mike.
It was fun getting rid of Henry's hiccups, but I wonder where they went.
Do you remember these words?
You have to help me.
Help.
I have hiccups.
Hiccups. Glass. Hopping. Sipping.
Ouch! Ouch!
Ouch.
So that's the video introducing some words and putting them into context for the pupils. And now they get an opportunity to say some of those words, either to read them from the screen or to repeat them after the audio. This activity is not marked, it's just a practice of saying the words from the video. So Sean is the reader, he says glass. He says hill. If he's not sure, he can click the audio
Friends.
and then repeat the word, friends. He says water. And now it's Jane's turn. Glass, hill, friends, water. And then those words that they have just been practicing how to say, they now have a close activity to put the words into a sentence. So Kyle walked to the top of the blank so he could see over the trees, and this is Sean, and he drags and drops the word into the sentence. The pupils can get an audio and a visual clue of all of the words So
Water.
and get audio
Glass.
and visual,
Friends.
and that can help them then to drag and drop into the sentence. They can also get an audio of the sentence.
The blank from the fire hydrant was running down the street.
To help them and put the sentence into the word. And this is the last one. Jacob drank a glass of water.
Congratulations! You're the new Word Quest champions of the world.
So that's the Word Quest activity. And you will see now that all 5 activities have now been mastered. So they all grayed out with the lightning strikes, and we're ready now for story quests.